Good morning everyone. Today we will continue exercise 3.2. So let's begin with question number 13. Question number 13 is given to you. Fx is equal to cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Show that fx fy equals to fx plus y. So firstly, we have to find out fy, that means hold the function in term of y. Firstly, write down fx. This is cos x sin x 0 minus sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. Then fy cos y, we have to put y in place of x with minus sin y cos y 0 0 0 1, and then multiply these two. We get, by multiplying, firstly select first row and one by one respective columns. So firstly select first row and first column. What we will get? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and 0 into 0 0. Next, first row and second column. This is minus sin y cos x minus sin x cos y, and again last term is 0. Now cos x into 0 0 minus sin x into 0, this is 0, and 0 into 1 is 0. Now select second row and respective columns. So firstly second row and first column, we will get sin x cos y. First element of second row is multiplied by first element of first column, and now the second element of second row is multiplied by second element of first column, which is cos x sin y, and 0 multiplied by 0, we get again 0. Now for sin x sin y cos x plus cos y, last term is 0 multiplied by 0 0. Now sin x multiplied by 0 equal to 0, cos x multiplied by 0 equal to 0, and 0 multiplied by 1, we get again 0. Now select third row, multiply with first column. 0 into cos y 0, 0 into sin y 0, and 1 into 0 0. So overall value is equal to 0. Now this is equal to 0, 0 into cos y equal to 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So the total value is 0. Now 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, and 1 multiplied by 1, and add all these three quantities, we get 1. So here the value of first term, this is cos x plus cos y minus sin x sin y, is written as cos x plus y also, and the second term, first they take minus as a common, remaining is sin y cos x plus sin x cos y, and this one is the formula for sin x plus y. Last term is 0. Now sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is a formula for sin x plus y. Again cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, this is a formula for cos x plus y, and this one is 0. Remaining are 0 0 1. So it is seen that this is a function in term of x plus y. So right hand side equals to left hand side. Now come to the next question. Question number 15. Question number 15 is find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a equals to 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. Firstly, find out a square. A square is equals to a multiplied by a. We have to find out the multiplication of two matrices A and A. So A is given to you 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. Again we have to write down A 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. Then the multiplication of two matrices. Firstly, select first row and multiply corresponding position elements with column first, then column second, and then column third. We get 2 2s are 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 1. Now for first row and second column, 2 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, and 1 into 1, this is minus 1. 2 plus 0 plus 0. Now second row, first column, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, and 3 1s are 3. Now again 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 minus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 0. Second row multiply by third column. So first element of second row is multiplied by first element of third column. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 and last one is 0. Now select the third row with first column. So 1 into 2 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and last one is 0. Similarly, third row with second column, 1 zeros are 0, minus 1, and then 0 multiplied by this 0. Now the third one is 1 into 1 minus 3 and then 0. We get 4 plus 1 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 minus 2, 0. Now minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. This is 2, 2 plus 3, 5, and 1 minus 3, this is minus 2. So this is the multiplication of A cross A. Now put the value of A square in the given equation and find the value of A square minus 5A plus 6i. So just put the value. A square is 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 of A. The value of A is 2, 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 0. And plus 6i. The value of I is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I is identity matrix. The principal diagonal is equal to 1. So now solve all these matrices. We get first one is 5, 9, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 5 minus 2 minus, if a scalar is multiplied by any matrix, then the scalar will multiply by each element. So this is 5 to the 10, again 10, 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 5, 15 and 0. Now plus 6i, same, scalar 6 is also multiplied by each element, we get this. Now solve all these. First is 5 minus 10 positive 6. Second element is 9 minus 10 positive 0. Third one is 0 minus 5 and then 0. Minus 1 minus 0 and 0. So this will be total 0. We get only minus 1. Third one is 2 minus 5 and 0. Minus 2 minus 5 and positive 6. 5 minus 15 and positive 0. Next one, minus 1 minus 5 plus 0 minus 2 minus 0 or positive 6. We get 6 and 5, 11. 11 minus 10, 1. This is minus 1, minus 3. 9 minus 10, minus 1, minus 5. 5, 6, 7, minus 7, positive 6. This is minus 1, minus 6. 15 minus 5, this is minus 10. And 6 minus 2, this is 4. So this is a solution for the given equation. Now come to the next question. Next question, question number 17. If A is given to you, 3, 4, minus 2 and minus 2 and I is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, then find the K so that A square equals to Ka minus 2I. You have to find out the value of K. So firstly, find out A square and then put the value here. So A square is multiply of A and A. So 3, 4 minus 2 multiply by the same matrix 3, 4 minus 2 and 2. Now we get, according to multiplication rule of two matrices, firstly select first row with first column, then first row with second column. So 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9 and minus 8. Again 3 to the 6 minus 6 and 2 to the 4 minus 4. Now 4 is a 12 minus 8 and 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4. This is minus 4. We get in place of A square, 9 minus 8 is 1. This is 4. This is minus 10 and this is minus 12. Equals to K of A. That means 3, 4, minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2I. 1, 0, 0, 1. After solving this, we get 3K minus 2, 4K minus 2K minus 2002 and compare with A square. We get right hand side is 3k minus 2 and this is minus 2k, 4k and this is minus 2k plus 2k minus 2. Now compare right hand side and left hand side. 1 is equals to 3k minus 2. 1 is equals to 3k minus 2. 3k minus 2 equals to 1. This is your left hand side and this one is right hand side. If we solve this by shifting minus 2 on right hand side, we get 1 plus 2, that means 3. So 3k equals to 3, that means value of k is 1. Got it? If we compare these two are equal. If we compare 4k and 4k, so these are equal. We have only one position from where we get value of k. Now come to the next question. If a equals to 0, tan alpha by 2, minus tan alpha by 2 and 0. And I be a identity matrix of order 2, then show that I plus a equals to I minus a cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. This one is the most important question and very interesting question. Let's begin. I is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. So that means left hand side is I, that means 1 0 0 1 plus a is given to you 0, tan alpha by 2, minus tan alpha by 2 and 0. So if we add these two, we get 1 plus 0, this is 1, minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 and 0. So this is the left hand side. Now we have to find out the right hand side. So firstly, we have write this in the corner place, 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and this one is 1 plus 0, this is 1. Now right hand side, I minus a, same I minus a, I is 1 0 0 1 and a is given to you 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0. So that means this is 1, positive tan alpha by 2, negative tan alpha by 2 and 1. If you subtract I and a, we get this, and this is already given to you cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Firstly multiply these two matrices, we get, so this is cos alpha plus sin alpha, tan alpha by 2. Now the second, minus sin alpha and plus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha. Third one is tan alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sin alpha. Fourth one, minus sin alpha tan alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Now we know that cos alpha is written as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 by 2 formula. So in place of cos alpha we can write 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus, in place of sin alpha we can write sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 and this is tan alpha by 2. Again minus alpha is written as minus 2 sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 and cos alpha is also written as 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Third one, tan alpha by 2 is written as same. In place of cos alpha we can write 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 and place of sin alpha 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So this is minus 2 sin alpha by 2 again and cos alpha by 2. This is tan alpha by 2 and this cos alpha is written as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So firstly, it is seen that tan alpha by 2 is written as sin alpha by 2 over cos alpha by 2. So this is written as sin alpha by 2 over cos alpha by 2. So this cos alpha by 2 and this cos alpha by 2 will be cancelled out. So remaining is plus 2 sin square alpha by 2 and this one is minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So both these are cancelled out. We get only 1 here. Correct. For the second case, again tan alpha by 2 is written as sin alpha over cos alpha. Okay, got it? So if this one is multiplied by 2 cos square alpha by 2, so 1 cos alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 will be cancelled out. So remaining is 2 cos alpha by 2 and this is sin alpha by 2. So this one is written as tan alpha by 2 and this one is written as like this. So minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 will be cancelled out. Positive 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So we get minus tan alpha by 2 only. For the same case, here if you multiply tan alpha by 2 by 2 cos square alpha by 2, we get negative 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 and minus 1 converted into positive tan alpha by 2. This negative positive will be cancelled out. Remaining is positive tan alpha by 2. In this case, again, this is sin alpha by 2 and over cos alpha by 2. This cos alpha by 2 is cancelled out by cos alpha by 2. And the remaining is minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. And this one is plus sin square alpha by 2. So remaining is 1 only. So here we get again left hand side. So that means right hand side equals to left hand side.